In the next short exercise, we will do learning to choose the correct verb. To choose the correct verb, if you are given more than one form, then you need to read aloud. You need to listen carefully. Is it correct? So that's the exercise that we are going to do. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb, choosing from the bracket that I give you. Okay. So next what we are going to do is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct verb from the bracket. So you are given more than one verb. Learn to choose. How do you learn to choose? By reading it aloud to yourself. When you read aloud, most of the time you are able to detect the problem. Now, the baby loves to, and you have to put in the correct word. Okay, I will put down all so that we can choose. The baby loves to drink milk. Next we have Ram played. Cricket on Sunday. Third, if you goes to the zoo, make sure you respect the animals. Fourth, we have I cut the birthday cake. Hey, while the sun shines. While the sun shines. Sixth one, mother buy. Mother, some vegetables. Some vegetables and fruits. And fruits. Do not, do not do not on the benches. On the benches, they will break. They will break. The last one, a crow steal a piece of cake. A piece of cheese. Now let us choose the correct verb form from the bracket. The baby loves to. What does the baby like to do? The baby loves to drinks milk. No, the baby loves to drink milk. Very good. We chose the correct word. Ram played cricket on Sunday. No, Ram played cricket. Ram played cricket on Sunday. Then, if you goes to the zoo, make sure you respect the animal. If you go to the zoo, go. Not goes, if you go. Baby loves to drink. Ram played. If you go. Next one. I cuts the birthday cake. What will you say? I cut the birthday cake. Next one we have makes hay while sun shines. That's wrong. Make hay. We don't want makes. Make hay while the sun shines. Mother buy some vegetable. No. Mother bought some vegetables and fruits. Do not jump on the benches. That's wrong. Do not jump. Do not jump on the benches. They will break. And finally we have a crow steal a piece of, what will you, piece of cheese? You will say a crow stole. Now, because a crow is one, okay, now look, all you need to do, read loud to be able to choose the correct verb to make sense. The baby loves to drink milk. Ram played cricket on Sunday. If you go to the zoo, make sure you respect the animal. I cut the birthday cake. I make hay while the sun shines. Then sixth one, mother bought some vegetables and fruits. Seventh one, do not jump on the benches, they will break. And finally we have a crow stole a piece of cheese. So in this exercise, we learn to choose the correct verbs from the bracket. We are given two verbs, we learn to choose that.